Okay guys, today me and my friends are gonna be opening the new World Cup McDonald's cups. So, Aiden, do you want to go first? The medium ball. That's cool.
Let's go to the next one.
Eagle. What is it?
It's Grimace.
It's Grimace.
Everyone knows him. And now, for the final one.
Okay.
First, we've got Grimace.
Now my turn, guys.
Here we go. What's it gonna be? We got Ronaldinho. Could it be Ronaldinho?
Could it be Neymar?
Here we go.
It could be.
Might be Ronaldinho. If we get Ronaldinho, Ronaldinho's a rare pull. Can we get him?
Yo, I'm gonna guess it. It's gonna be Neymar. Neymar. If I guess this, I'm gonna go crazy.
Ronaldinho, just like I said.
Alright, guys.
We got Neymar, Grimace,
And Ronaldinho.